Are you dreaming of starting a business in the US but feel overwhelmed by the maze of immigration laws? You're not alone. Today we're going to talk about the most frequently asked questions about the E-2 visa process. Hi, I'm Shariq, the South Asian attorney. I'm licensed to practice law in California, and I help people worldwide with American immigration law. Did you know that when it comes to launching your business under the E-2 visa, there's no fixed rule on the number of US workers you need to hire? However, it's generally expected that your business will hire some employees. Just heads up though, if you don't hire any workers, your investment might be seen as a way to merely support you and your family, which in legal terms is considered marginal and can result in your visa being denied. But here's the good part. You're not under pressure to hire employees right off the bat. Your 5-year business plan should outline your hiring timeline, showing when you'll start bringing employees on board. Well, simply put, there's no minimum dollar figure. Your investment has to be substantial though. And what does substantial really mean? Well, different businesses require different investment amounts, right? The investment amount really depends on the kind of business you want to start. For example, $100,000 investment might work for a consulting firm, but not so much for a manufacturing plant. Your investment amount must be sufficient to ensure successful operation of the business. The US government wants to see that your business isn't just viable, but thriving, creating jobs and contributing to the economy. But remember, the investment must be at risk, meaning that you have to be close to starting business operations. Yes, borrowing money is fine for the E-2 visa, as long as the business is not overly leveraged. Having experience is definitely a plus. Say you're starting a catering company and you've been a chef. That's like a golden nugget for your application. But it's not just about being an expert in the field. Relevant business or management experience, regardless of the industry, can significantly strengthen your application. It shows that you have what it takes. And here's where it gets interesting. For businesses that don't require specialized knowledge or where training can be provided quickly, direct experience becomes less critical. Think franchises or service-oriented businesses like gas stations or subway stores. Additionally, in cases where you're not the expert, like a chef in a restaurant business, planning to hire experts can demonstrate your commitment to running the business efficiently. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps this video reach more people like yourself. Not really, no. To secure an E-2 visa, you have the flexibility of either buying an existing business or starting a new one. But here's the catch. Your business needs to be active. That means passive investments such as real estate owning a stock is not going to do it. It's all about engaging in a business that's hands-on and generating income. In case you're wondering if your E-2 visa can become a bridge to a green card, an E-2 visa won't directly secure you a green card because it's a non-immigrant visa. But don't let this dishearten you. As long as your business remains active, you're eligible to renew the visa indefinitely. Now, if you're eyeing a green card, you might have a shot under a different category like the EB-5. But keep in mind that this can be a little tricky because you need non-immigrant intent to get an E-2 visa. But that's not to say that you can't change your mind after you get the E-2 visa. And then just take steps to qualify for an EB-5 visa, and this way you can get a green card. As always, if you have questions, please reach out.